the staff audit that we carried out affected a total of 576 people in various areas, but the details will be there. We later on also engaged the Kenya National Examination Council, and with the outcome that we got from the Kenya National Examination Council, we got 290 suspected cases of irregular or forged certificates. 93 of the 290 were verified and confirmed. And 197 out of the 290 needed further scrutiny. These were certificates that were basically certificates, CP, KCP, KCE, and KCSE. We were yet to upgrade or to upscale what we were doing to tertiary certificates, diplomas, and universities. So the board has a lot of work to do, and many people will have to give an account of their employment documents before the board, because we know there are many people out there who have the right documentations or documents whose places are being occupied by others whose documentations are unverified or fake or do not worth or do not deserve being in our human capital.
We know the task which is lying ahead of us. Our in-tray is so much full, and we'll hit the ground running with a lot of speed. But I want to just give one caution as this board takes office. It is something we have mentioned over and over again, that this board will and shall always operate on zero corruption as it discharges its mandates. We shall be guided by the provisions of the Constitution. We shall always uphold the integrity of this board, so that anybody and any member of the county who is qualified needs to be absorbed based on merit and not based that you've given any amount of money. So that I want to challenge the members of the public that please, if anybody approach you with the intention of soliciting any fund from you, those are conmen, please report them to the nearest police station. This board will not extort money from anyone.
Provide some information that as a county we promise to have.
Water.
In this report, we have